here at Cartimar and we're approaching Aqualand alley. Nice arowana, so beautiful but so expensive. And my favorite, pearl scale, goldfish. And also my number one favorite, ranchu. They have bubble eyes too. Red cap, black moon, and this is dollar shark and dollar. More viscous, different patterns. This is a clear tank, mix of cichlids and pleco.
Wow!
Alligator bar. This is a special guppy. Sorry, I didn't get the name from Aqua because she was covering her mouth with mask. More guppies and light pants. More guppies. Black and tetra. Angelfish. Senegal. An artificial colored parrotfish. This is an artificial coral reef with beautiful discus. More goldfish. Looking. Landscape. And if you want to go neon, artificial corals. And this is a simple decoration but so nice to look at because of the beautiful fishes. Schooling fish, some plecos, running, cichlid and angelfish, tricolor, substrate, so pebbles, sand. This is a heavy duty filter. And the sales guy is trying to check it for me. I'm helping a friend to set up her 75-gallon tank. Neon tetra or cardinal Netherlands over here. And this is at Monumento, Aqualand. Gerry's Petshop. Come and visit their place. It's very nice. They have cichlids. Tinfoil, more artificial colored parrotfish, goldfish, red cap and oranda. My favorite, ranchu. So cute, ranchus. Sorry, I didn't get the name of this. Flower horn, looks like an alien. That's so beautiful. Boy. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hope Kusina 101, and also click the bell icon so you get notified. Also, check out my playlist, Travel and Vacation Escapade, Cooking at Home and Planting Adventure. And thank you for watching. Till next time!